Hey there, Todd Jones here with Rodeo Realty. I want to take you on a tour of my new listing. It's 16244 Dorilee Lane. Beautiful street in the Encino Hills. That's a dead end over there. Very quiet and relaxing. We have a ranch style home. You can see here they have solar on the roof that is all paid for. Got some fruit trees as well. Let's go on inside and take a look. It's a little over 3,000 square feet. The lot size, I believe it's around 13,000. And when you come in, you see really pretty wide open space. As a reminder, this is a 360 camera, so you can look up and down and turn around. There's a beautiful view of the San Fernando Valley out there. It looks great at night as well. Open area out here that has a wonderful dining area, as well as a formal living area. We'll look at that in a sec, but that's the den. Now look at this kitchen area. We've got an eat-in kitchen area right here. This goes to the garage, which is a two-car garage, and there's even two outlets for electric vehicles in here. So you can plug in two electric vehicles if you want. Back to the kitchen, we have skylights up above. One of these is motorized, so you can open it if you need to. GE monogram appliance over there. Looks like, I think everything is, yeah, everything is GE monogram. One is a fridge, one is a freezer. Oh, let me show you this really cool pantry. So it's one of those pantries that pulls out like this, so you can get a lot of storage. Does that on both sides. It's very nice. That's the side yard out there where they store a lot of things. This is the laundry area. This is the fourth bedroom. They're using it as an office. This could be a good, place for some staff to stay or an au pair or whatever works for you. Because there is a 3/4 bathroom right here as well. Good place for guests too. All right, so on the other side of the house, we're gonna find 3 more bedrooms. Got some beautiful flooring in here. Some solar tubes, a lot of natural light. This is the formal, well, let's not call it formal. Let's just call it a den. We have plantation shutters. It's a very private house too. If you wanted, this could potentially be a great office. If you wanted to use the other room for a bedroom, perhaps put some glass French doors here or a slider or something and make this into a home office. You could also turn it into a bona fide theater room if you want. Just show you, this is actually a nice sized closet. The wine fridge in here. That could be a good place to put electronics if you wanted to turn it into a smart home. All right, so we have 3 bedrooms. And then this is like a powder room slash bathroom for one of the bedrooms. So you've got the shower, so it's a 3/4. It's actually appointed very nicely, very pretty home. And then this they're using as an office, but it is a bedroom. There's a closet right here. And you could leave that or pull it out if you wanted a little extra space for an actual bedroom. It's a nice size. They just use it as a cool office. Now, just to give you a sense of how we came in. So you can actually shut that door and shut off the bedrooms from the rest of the house, right? So the entertaining could be over there. This could be the powder room for the guests, and nobody comes into the bedrooms. We'll do that one last. And then over here, we have a very nice sized bedroom with closets and ensuite bathroom. All right. Let's go in here and check it out. Again, with the plantation shutters. Beautifully appointed bathroom. So we have a walk-in tub, so this could be converted back to a shower, or you could make it into a regular tub, or leave that if you want. And then over here we have the primary. So you have the French doors leading in, a little dog outside, a very nice sized bedroom. Very spacious. And an equally spacious closet. Some cedar-lined walls, lots of space to put all of your things. And then over here we have the primary bathroom. You have the dual sinks with the vanity in the middle. as well as a extremely spacious shower. All right, let's take a look at the outside area, which is amazing. So you have this huge porch that you can sit out and enjoy the view. We have some drought tolerant plants out here. Extremely private, as you can see. We've got this added on deck to increase the size. This is the side of the house I was talking about, where they just have some stuff stored, little work area for plants and whatnot. And this goes into where that fourth bedroom was. Over here we have a like a swimmer's pool. It's one of those pools that has a motor so you can swim in place. They don't use it at all. All the equipment looks great. I'll show it to you, but they just covered it up because they don't use it. So they have grandkids coming over, they just covered it up. And then over here on the side yard, they have some plants, some tomatoes and vegetables. Really cool area. Here's where all the pool equipment, the heater is. So if you wanted to fire that back up, you could. HVAC looks fantastic. And then that goes back around to the front of the house. That's it. If you want to take a look in person, feel free to give me a call and we'll schedule a private showing. Thanks for watching.